I am at the animal sanctuary and I'm going to see the animals. What? This dog. This dog. Doggo. It's Katie. Oh my god. Go around that way actually. It's locked. Go around this way. What? Go in and round. So they want you to visit the reception. What?
Yeah, some of us have. And
I've been there before. I've been there. Mummy, I've been.
we have, do you remember? Some of us.
Go on then.
Does anybody want to do an Easter player for £2?
Yeah, please.
Do you want to do
Easter trail?
look at the animals?
Yeah.
It's up to you. Yeah, you do?
This time.
£2. Do you guys
Yeah,
want
that's
that?
fine.
What do I do? Do all of them? 4.
Louis do it? No, don't worry about it.
3? Okay. So, that's good. What you have to do is, as you walk around, you have to find these animals.
Ice cream.
Find them. You just tick this little circle. Yeah, let's just say you found them. Yes. You take that out.
What is in this room? This is interesting. Oh my gosh, it's leafy. What the Sigma? Or what the Sigma? What?
Oh, did you not get one?
Huh.
Did you get one, Paddy?
Got one.
Do you want to get a pencil?
They want pencil. So we got this bottle. Let's look yummers.
I don't think you want to do this. No. That's fine. Oh, right, okay, yeah, okay. And you know just to follow the green footsteps, huh? Yeah, okay, lovely. Thank you.
I found chocolate.
You found chocolate. You've got enough chocolate at home.
That's sunny.
I know it.
Well done.
Jack wanted to be
No problem.
Reception first.
I didn't want to take you.
I can't wait to see these animals. Let's see. What? Yo. No way. Let's see something. Who's that? Oh, hello. Do not eat me. Hello.
Oh, this one's cute.
Can we take him home?
Can we take him home?
No, we can't take him home.
Oh.
Come on, we like to take pictures. Yeah. Cute, aren't they?
These donkeys are just, they are cute. Go to yeet. Oh no. One is dead. Oh. I am one. Just want to make a deal. It's the force. No way. The full horse. What? Reef. Yo, what is this place? Make the people to sign the contract. What is this? Oh no. This is a gravestone. That is sad. This is scary. Not even I want the person the one who does deals and contracts does not like cemeteries, gravestones. What? Little Sid. I don't want to be here anymore. Oh look. It's a pony. Hello. What? It's scary. We love McDonald's. We love McDonald's. We love McDonald's, and I love you. Here's my food. I'm so hungry. Where's it at? In my tummy. McDonald's should have a holiday. A holiday. A holiday. I ate my food. Where's it at? I'm in the bathroom stall. Due to my calculations, you might be diagnosed with diarrhea. Okay, what is down here? Whoa. Oh no, one. Whatever. Okay. What is around here? Find some more animals. I hope I don't get lost. Oh my gosh. What is this place? Hello? Animals? Where are they? Let's look up here. Very steep. Okay. Where are the animals? Oh. I remember this. I used to love it in here. Hello? Horses? Huh? Yo. Okay. I need to get out of here. Oh. What's over here? Hello? Where are all the animals? I think this is where the chickens are. Field management. You may be wondering why this field is currently empty and why there are no animals occupying the enclosure. As a work and rescue, we have to ensure that the fields are rotated and given enough time to rest. Our animals will often spend their time munching on the grass, and their movement can cause the ground to become tired and in need of regen. I don't know what the word is. We rotate our rescue animals throughout our fields to make sure that the ground has enough time to settle and regrow before another animal comes in. Field management is a very important part of the work we do, and it ensures that our site is well looked after and has longevity for years to come. Cool. Huh. The piggies aren't out. Where are the piggies? Huh. I think I need to find my mom. I think I'm lost. This video is going to have 2 parts. What happened here? I think I'm lost. Oh no. Oh no. This is not very good. I need to run. Oh no, I'm lost. Oh no. Oh no, where's my mom? Okay. Oh, I see something. Oh, it's a goat. Hello, Mr. Goat. I am one. Do you want to make a deal? Do you want to sign a contract? Huh. Oh, you are a big back. You ate too much McDonald's. Here's a big back. Hello. These goats. Hello there. Do you want us to sign a contract? But don't fall in here. Very cute indeed. Oh no, not this place again. Okay, well, I need to find my mom. So, see you in part 2.